Alright guys, so today Captain Callistus will be telling us the types of fuel that our aeroplane uses. So many of us have been wondering what type of fuel our aeroplane uses, and in this video Captain Callistus is going to tell us the categories of fuel or the types of fuel that our aeroplane uses. So if you don't know it, you need to calm down and watch this video. So enjoy the video.
Alright my people, we are back at it again. But I know now, camera show waiting the full update as usual. Alright, this one we will go yarn about today. I know saying all of on our ears don't they tingle since to hear about them. I will bring them down for us today. The waiting I want yarn about today now waiting. That the fuel where aeroplane use. Is that why they drive Okada for village? Time when we small, why we didn't even drive your car. Here one play where they play that time when they use cashew nut, you go gather them together, they throw them. If you exist, they don't understand this one. But if you go with us that time for play, you understand this one why. They tell us that time saying that liquid waiting for inside that cashew nut, that liquid waiting for inside the cashew nut, the nut inside, the shell, you get liquid where they for the people when they say that cashew nut liquid, now they use the fly. What's the way with the gather cashew nuts? They soon they manufacture where they use the flyer. Okay. Literacy value. It's anyway, it's not my fault, sir. Then some other person saying that the kerosene what they use for their lantern for stove for us. And they use the flyer. Anyways, I know there's so many of you now get that mindset. To then some other people where they a bit enlightened. Those say their enlightenment no reach full. They think that the normal fuel where they use for keke and pep and Okada, and they use the flight here because they call them fuel. I never see plane where you come for filling station, come by. I don't see person who carry gallon go fetch fuel for filling station. They go for everything, go fast. Anyways, so we better pieces the thing for now. All of us we learn a bit, Jerry. Now, the fuel where aeroplane they use, they totally different. From the cashew nut to from the kerosene for where they for inside our stove, from the fuel where they for inside Okada and our motor car, they different from all this. What thing they call that fuel? Some people they call them depending. They get so many categories. You know, say fuel, even fuel they use for our cars, then you get great, but because say Niger fuel, they put anyone inside any car, just they drive they go. But for aviation, the specification where they give you a particular aeroplane, saying that what thing they can use the flyer. That particular one. Now we have the one where they call avgas, that's on a short form for aviation gas. Then we call the one where they call jet A1, jet A, jet B. Get so depending on the manufacturer where manufacture the aeroplane, it will tell you the particular fuel where they could use for this particular aeroplane, and that fuel and they could use to fly that. The avgas. They use them mainly for all these small tuke aeroplane. Like if I don't see some of my videos, I go see those ones where they say small yacht they shake, small yacht they shake. All those planes where they use for flying school, where will they use they learn how to fly aeroplane. I think they call the fuel where those ones they use now. What thing they call them now avgas, aviation gas. Then we can't get the one where the jet A. They use and they fly commercial planes. So. But you know today rampant like jet A1, like the jet A1 9 with you they use well. The reason being that these fuels, this jet A1, jet A, jet B, the difference is where they get. Now for people who do chemistry, when I go know what they call them hydrocarbons, and the molecular content of carbon inside the fuel itself, now they determine whether this one jet A or a jet A1 or a jet B. You get so now when all those manufacturers don't manufacture the aeroplane, they go look now and say, okay, this particular fuel, because of the kind of altitude where this our aeroplane go they go, the fuel where go they suitable for based on its performance and environment where they go, a jet A can work, or jet A1 or jet B. The three of them, differences are in the temperature, the freezing point. You know, say you get the way where the place where you go take person reach, person no go get oxygen again. At the same way it be for aeroplane fuel. You get the level where the aeroplane go reach. The maximum or the minimum temperature will be say that aircraft can withstand, and the fuel then go still be liquid. You know, it never freeze, turn to ice block or inside the tanks there. Now in they determine the kind of fuel where you go use. Jet A, the minimum temperature where you feel go na -40 degrees. Jet B na -60 degrees. That one high, where. Then jet A1 na -47 degrees. This minus why they talk now. When you go to see all those kind of things, when you don't they climb all those hours, 40 something thousand feet and all that. Now that time you will experience those kind of temperature. You get no before ground here where you even the places where snow they fall. Majority of them are -10, 15, 20 if you see. So even at that, you never reach that freezing point where they say that fuel way inside that tank turn to ice block, you come up from liquid state or enter solid state. So now these things now be the difference where they say when they look they go now say, okay, this is our aeroplane. Okay, they fly A1. The one where almost every airliner they use now, it's A1. Because it go even hard before you go say you reach that temperature of -47 degrees. You know, so now make them like jet A1 2-day rampant pass. Gas now really people where they do flying school, but they know they too fly go high. Their own temperatures still they high pass those minus, enter minus like all these other ones where they on the higher side. All right, so that is about waiting the fuel way aeroplane they use. So make one another thing say a cashew nut fluid and they use the fly aeroplane or kerosene where they for your stove. No be the fuel they totally different from one way we they use normally for our conventional cars then. But that is just it. If you get any other question, ask about this one, drop them under the comment section. When we see them, we bring and come, make all of us still learn. You know how to fly aeroplane, you know what in aeroplane they talk about, but now waiting a license and no fee. I still love all of you, and I can never take that love.